We today update our Twitter profile, so click on the profile icon on your Twitter account. Then we'll be able to change our header and our profile image. So click edit profile, click add photo. That's for the profile image. Select the one that we downloaded from Canva. You can play with the zoom factor, then upload also our banner. Make sure to pick the one that was a bit large in size. When working through the content for our Twitter account, we'll be updating with a better version of our header image and also profile. After this, then we change the name, just as we did with the other social media accounts. Use the same name. On Twitter, to make sure your account is also discoverable, you can use the hashtags on the main keywords, like the digital creator and also fittest. Those ones I'll put hashtag, that when somebody is searching for digital content, then they'll be able to see my account. It will be part of the results under that hashtag. So for Twitter, we'll be utilizing a lot of hashtags, same as Instagram and also TikTok. That's how you can be found. We will also show you how you can search for the trading hashtags for Twitter and for other platforms. Then we write a small bio. This defines what we do. Again, for the main keywords, you can also opt to use hashtags, and there is a limit to the character. So it can be a broad explanation of who you are. You can also give your contact details. I will be doing a lot when posting on Twitter. So depending on what we post, we might give a contact directly from the post rather than on our Twitter profile, though you can give your contact here, so that your followers can be able to contact you in case they need your service, especially if you are doing freelancing. You can check the links in my channel. I have a freelancing tutorial using Fiverr and other platforms. You can be able to follow. So here we'll be adding a link to our website. Here we'll be using Linktree